Hey guys, Ibra here and welcome to Ibra Sketch. Today we're gonna do a pompano catch and cook. But first, check out how I caught this fish.
Small fish. I think I got a small one on here. Looks a little fishy. Yeah. Suspect. I don't know. I felt that one. Let's see. Please don't be a catfish again. Please. But I don't feel nothing. Is it swimming in? Hey, Pompano! Hey, Pompano! Yes! Yes! Woo! Yes! Got a Pompano. Nice. Easy. The hook come out so easy. Yes. Woo! Great. My first like real pompano. Yes.
So that's how I got this bad boy. So now let's clean them up because I'm going to eat them whole. So we're just going to take the guts out. So let's open them up and take the guts out. Guts out. I'm gonna put some cuts in them. On both sides.
Oh man, this meat is crazy.
And then you give it a rinse and get out all the bloody water. All the blood inside, just clean it out. And then you'll be ready for seasoning. Our fish is nice and clean. Is inside. So now let's head to the back and get some seasoning. I have lime, shadow benny, and thyme and rosemary. So let's go get those ingredients and come right back to the kitchen. So these are all the ingredients we have. We have rosemary, shadow benny. I know there's another name for it, but I'm not sure what is the actual name, the other name. We have garlic. We have big leaf thyme. This also has another name, but I don't know. We have lime, small leaf thyme. Not sure what's the other actual name. So salt and pepper. So you have our bowl. Gonna put the fish in there first of all. Oh, it's too big for the bowl. Oh, great. So we're gonna cut up everything and put them in the bowl and rub it into the fish. So I want to start off with salt and pepper. So rub it in, put it over, and rub it again. And I want to get some on the inside. So now to cut up everything else and put it in the bowl with the fish. So just want to switch it over. So start off with garlic. Try not to put the season because I don't want it to get lost. Ever see? No, it's garlic. So we're switching over, squeeze the lime on the other side. This is my first time actually preparing a pompano, like a big one. Like I've caught like a really small one before, but that doesn't count. So let's try to rub everything in. Try to get it like in there. Like take bits and pieces and put them into the cuts so the flavor can get into the meat properly. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this in the fridge for like about 3 hours and then going to come back and we're gonna fry them. So we're back. I had a little haircut and a shower. So the fish is ready now. It's all marinated, and I think I have to cut it in half so that it can fit properly in the frying pan that we have. So I'm gonna cut it in half, and then we're gonna start cooking it. So we're just gonna cut it in half so it can properly fit. And I think, you know, this right here is like half. So we have two pieces now. Easy, so you can have a proper fry, so you can go straight through and through. The pot is getting hot, so you add a piece of butter and a little bit of oil. So you're gonna let that melt away, and then we'll start adding our fish. So as the oil is getting ready, we're gonna start flouring our fish. Just to put them in the flour and get all sides properly covered. Try to get some on the inside. Alright, so knock off the excess and then add them in there. I like keeping the fins on because it gets like nice and crunchy, like a little snack. Knock the excess off. While that is going, we're going to cut up some potatoes to eat with the fish. We just want to like sear these in the pan after we are done with the fish. So we just cut them into cubes so that we can season it and just cook them in the leftover fish oil. So let's cut them into little cubes, and then we'll season them and put them right into the pan after. Our fish looks like it's ready to be flipped. So let's give it a flip. Yeah, it looks good. So I know I should be using some for this, but I use a spoon because I like to scoop the oil and then put it on the fish while it's cooking. So like I like to still get some oil and put it on the fish so you can get a pretty good, nice, even fry. So try to get all the spots, so no area is left unfried. our fish looks ready. So just gonna take him out and put it cool. Put it on a paper towel to cool off and drain out. Then we're gonna get our pan ready again to cook our potatoes nice and cubed up. All I put in there was black pepper, salt, and garlic powder. And I put it in the same pot with the seasoning that it had with. So we're gonna just get the pan and just cook it around. So we have our potatoes in there. Get all that pompano flavor in the potatoes. But look at this pompano. Yes. Everything looks just about ready to start making our plate. So first off, I'm gonna have my piece of fish. I'll have the tail bit, and I'll leave the headpiece for my aunt. So we have some potatoes. And put some potatoes on the side. And there you go. Let's dig in. So the time we've all been waiting for, finally getting to have a nice pompano. I've been waiting so long for this. Okay, let's dig in. So I'll start with a nice little piece.
Bruh.
Wow. Like, I'm not kidding. That tastes so good. Woo. It could be compared to catfish. You guys know how much I like catfish. But wow, that is really good. I need to catch more pompano. Like, oh my, oh. Okay, I need to go back pompano fishing right now. But thank you guys once again for watching another Hooked on Sunday video. Please like and subscribe. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Hit the subscribe button. And I mean you who are not subscribed yet, hit the button, please. But I am going to devour this, and I don't think you guys want to see all of that. But I'll see you again next week with more fish on Hooked on Sunday.
Oh man, this beat is crazy.